You do this one thing wrong, and it could cost you tens of thousands of dollars, if not more. Here's why. I had a client last month, let's call her Mary, who was injured in a car accident. She immediately called the closest attorney to her house because he'd been practicing in that area for a long time. She thought she was being safe, but here's the mistake Mary made. That lawyer was a jack-of-all-trades general practice attorney who only handled a few injury cases a year. Within 2 months' time, while Mary was still getting her medical treatment, he sent a demand to the insurance company for just 1/10 of the available policy limit. He was known for settling cases quickly, not correctly. Thankfully, Mary figured this out and hired my firm. We ensured that she got the proper medical care going forward, and we ultimately resolved her case for the entire policy limit, 10 times more than that other lawyer's original demand. Here's what Mary should have done from day one. You need to hire a lawyer who specializes exclusively in personal injury cases. General practitioners often miss the nuances of medical evidence and future cost projections. A specialist knows exactly what your case is worth and isn't afraid to fight for it. The good news is that most injury lawyers offer free consultations. To avoid the situation that Mary faced, you need to ask these 2 questions during that interview. Number 1, what's your pre-suit settlement strategy? Specifically, when do you decide it's the right time to send a demand? And how do you determine that amount? If they send demands before you're done treating, that's a red flag. Number 2, do you personally try cases to verdict? And how many have you tried? Insurance companies know which lawyers go to court and which ones fold. You want the ones that go to court, not the ones that just settle cases. The answers to these 2 questions alone will give you the important insight that you need when you choose your personal injury lawyer. I'm attorney Jim Curtis. If you found this information helpful, subscribe for more great legal tips. And be sure to check out this next video to learn some additional questions that you should always ask before you hire your personal injury lawyer. See you there.